Hey kids, PC here to show you how to use the online classroom in the Digital Academy. First of all, if you have not used the Digital Academy before, you will need to join a class. You can do this with an access code that is provided by your teacher. If you've been given an access code and have not joined a class, please follow these steps. If you don't have an access code, contact your teacher. If you've already joined, or if you use the Digital Academy as your gradebook and for assignments, then you can skip this step and go straight to the login. To join with an access code, go to join.digitalacademy.org using Google Chrome. You need to use a Google Chrome browser. Enter the access code and then press Next. On the screen that comes up, you'll see the name of the class. Make sure that's correct and then press the appropriate button. If you have an account, because you may have joined a different class, click I have an account and then enter your username and password on the screen that comes up. If this is your first time joining the Digital Academy, click I am new and then fill out all of the information on the Create Account screen and press Create Account. Once you've registered, you'll need to log into the Digital Academy. To do that, go to auth.digitalacademy.org, enter your username and password, and click Login. If you forgot your password, you can click the Forgot Password button, and it will be emailed to you. If you forgot your username, you'll need to contact the school office. Additionally, if you click Forgot Password and you don't get something in your email, you should contact the school office. If you've previously mapped your account to a Google account, you can press Login with Google. And as long as you're logged in to Google Chrome, you'll be automatically logged into the Digital Academy. Once you're in the Digital Academy, you'll be on your dashboard. The dashboard has a number of links on the left. Click the picture of the graduation cap to get a list of your classes. Click the Classroom button below the class name to go into your online classroom. If the class is live, it will automatically take you to the live classroom. Otherwise, you'll go to the class main page. This is a picture of your classroom home page. The page has posts and announcements from your teacher. You can click on the documents to download them. There's also navigation on the left that lets you switch between the various parts of the online classroom. If you want to go into the live classroom, click Live Classroom on the left or click the Go Live button in the upper right. This is a picture of your live classroom. There's some important buttons on the left, which we'll explain in a second. If you need to get out, the Exit button is in the upper right. To view a list of students in the class, click the person icon. Note that your teacher can tell whether you're on the tab in the live classroom or whether you switch off to something else by the green dot and the yellow dot that's next to your name. When you click the Classroom button, you'll see a list of students. If you're allowed to work together, you can click the name of a student and then click Work Together, and you'll be sharing a screen. To access the chat, click the comment icon. It will open up the chat window. At the bottom, you can select who you want to send a message to, if the teacher has enabled that, and then you can type the message and press Enter to send it. To raise your Digital Academy hand, click the hand. To put it back down, click the hand again. Finally, if you'd like to enable your video, click a picture of the camera. When you turn on your video, you'll click the camera button, and then a screen will come up that will ask you to select the webcam and the microphone. Select the proper webcam and the proper microphone, and then click Broadcast. Generally, there's only one webcam, but there's frequently a number of microphones. The default one is usually best. Keep in mind that if you are using headphones, you need to plug in the headphones before enabling the video and audio. Additionally, when you plug in headphones, you may be prompted for how to use them. There's a headphone mode, which is just the speakers, and a headset mode, which includes the speakers and the microphone. Make sure to pick headset if you have a microphone. If you have any problems, turn the camera off and then turn it back on, and generally that will fix it. Once you have your video running, you'll see a picture of it in the lower right, and you'll also see it on the Video tab with pictures of all the students if the teacher shares that. To turn your microphone on and off, click the picture of the microphone underneath your name. To turn your speakers on or off, you can turn them on or off in the Digital Academy, or you can also use the controls on your computer. If your site is glitching a little bit, you may not be able to handle the bandwidth that the Video tab uses. You can close the Video tab and your teacher will still be able to communicate with you. Close the Video tab by clicking the X next to the Video tab at the top. If the teacher hands out a whiteboard or a document, you'll have the whiteboard controls that you can use to edit a document and write on it. To zoom in and out, click the plus and the minus buttons at the top. To write with a pen, freeform, click the pen. You can also click the straight line, the circle, or the square. To type, click the AA button. Click on the document and then type in the box that comes up. You can change the color of the text by clicking that black box at the bottom and picking a different color. These are all of the main features for the online classroom. Your teacher may also choose to post online lessons. To get to those, go into your classroom by following the instructions from earlier and then click on the Lessons tab, which is shown as number 2 on the screen. If you had previously started a lesson, you can click the Play/Resume button, which is marked by number 3 in red. Otherwise, you can navigate to the lesson. Click a unit to expand it, click a lesson to expand that, and then click one of the stages of the lesson to play that stage. If you have any questions, check the group on the Digital Academy called Digital Academy Online Learning. There will be some helpful documents and videos posted there. Good luck!